Hello everyone. This is our video regarding religious beliefs in ancient time. These beliefs were in practice from 8th to 18th century in India. From 8th to 18th century, striking feature was a visibility of wide range of gods and goddess in sculpture and text. There was integration of cults and compositions and presentation of Puranic text, simple Sanskrit verses. Tantric form of worship was more prevalent among the women, often associated with the goddess, were form of worship. Karamatas saw a new movement under Brahmanas in the court of Chalukya's ruler. From this, from the century of 8 to 18, number of saints take birth in Indian society. With the passage of time, the rules and regulations of Varna and caste systems became very rigid. By the 16th century, shrine had become very popular. The status of Shudras were very miserable in the society. They were not allowed to enter the temples and to listen the hymns. In this way, the bhakti tradition was classified into sugunas and nirgunas to attract the worshippers. Sugunas were the institute in which deity, or mean to say murti puja, was practiced. And in nirguna, there is not a picture or murti puja is there. Alvars, Narayanas of Tamil Nadu, the worship of Vishnu and worships of Shivas were devotee common features. Alvaras and Nayanars initiated the movement against caste system and dominance of Brahmanas. There are so many saints in southern India. Jyotiba Phule, a reformer, Sant Tukaram, and many more others. Shankaracharya was one of the famous saint of Bhakti movement. They believe in one God and they believe to get the worship by singing and dancing. Alvars and Rainas initiated the movement against caste system and dominance of Brahmanas. At that time, the status of women was very low. In women category, number of saints were also there who bring a change in Indian society in bhakti. Mirabai is one of them. The two more famous saints of that time was Saint Kabir and Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. There was another traditions of Sufism in India. Sufi shabd comes from or drawn from saf. Saf means wool. The devotee of Sufism use rosary of made up of wool. Niyamuddin Chishti, Aulia, and many more were the saints of that time. Singing of hymns under royal patronage was encountered at the time of Chola rulers. And the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Saint Kabir become very famous among the society. They want to change the society. They want to remove the social evils that were practiced in the society at that time. Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave stress on removal of casteism. They also took voice against the low status of women. In this way, these saints play very important role in minimizing the caste system and the social evils practiced at that time. Thank you and have a nice day.